YouTube, it's Tone. I'm back with another one. Now this one here is some of the shit that I do in my spare time. I do gematria coding and things like that. And I just want to talk about a little bit about how I've been. Look, so what I noticed is this: is that mathematically the disease equals the cure. Just like if you're one of my subs, you see in the community section when I put the gematria post, a lot of times the question equals the answer, which obviously tells you that you are the question and the answer. It's one and the same, right? Because it has to be connected in one way, shape, or form. And so we do that mathematically and connect the question to the answer. Because if there is an answer, it somehow has to be connected to the question, right? So same way here, if there's a disease, it has to be connected to the cure. Otherwise, it couldn't be, right? So, because there's two sides to everything, right? You get your polarity in this realm here. So anyway, let's get into what I got here. So right here, what you're going to see is the cure for cancer. Mind you, let me just go ahead and say, this is not medical advice, right? I'm not a doctor. I'm not making any medical claims. What I'm telling you is that based on the mathematical sequences that I'm going to show you right now, it's more than just a coincidence, okay? Because one coincidence is cool. Mind you, I don't believe in coincidences, but okay, one is cool, two is fine, three is hold on, and four is what the fuck. Now I have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of these. I'm putting a book together right now. Gematria Cures, right? I'm putting this book together, and you guys are gonna be fucking mind blown by the shit that I found in this book. And it's all for entertainment only, because life is a fucking game, right? So let's see how funny it can get when you put the truth out there, right? So I think it's hilarious. So anyway, right here, the cure for cancer equals calcium chloride. Okay, so you do the math. If you got cancer, if you wanted to try it, more than likely it would work. All right. Or you can go to the doctors and have them fucking throw you in the microwave. You know what I'm saying? It's up to you. However you want to do it. You know what I mean? It's your life, right? Then right here we got daily iodine. So, and I take iodine daily. I have to attest to the fact that that shit has changed my life, like, dramatically. And it does increase your magic. You see Jewish magic down here in the bottom? Magic is magnetism, okay? So it increases your magnetism absolutely 100%. So daily iodine, it kills maggots in the brain, right? Occults use it for their little magical shit. Probably why they drink blood, because it's got iodine and iron in it and shit like that, right? But they can just go fucking get some iodine and some iron, and they'd get the same effect. But instead they rather drink instead they rather drink your blood. Okay, so you can also get it from garlic cloves. You see how this all equals each other mathematically, right? So then the police force, I'm assuming they make them take it. The great I am is obviously associated with iodine on the periodic table. Okay, the great I am. Armed forces, they probably just put it in their water. They don't even know. Eternal life, source of life, which it is, because the ocean's got everything in it there too. Seawater is absolutely amazing, by the way, also. So, and this helps with fibromyalgia, okay? Because obviously it's a hormonal issue that you're going to be having with fibromyalgia, or whatever the issue is. Iodine's going to go ahead and override all that. Pregnant women, they tell you to take iodine, and if not, it's in your little prenatal vitamins and shit like that, okay? So, and in organic food is where you're going to find it. And you get the X factor, that's what's going to give you, and your Jewish magic. Whether you're Jewish or not, it's going to increase your magnetism, which increases your magic, which allows you to have things gravitate toward you way easier. And you got to be careful, because then you can gravitate whatever you think about. So you got to get your mind right, really, before you fix your magnetism. That's my personal opinion. And right here we got psilocybin. All right, what does that equal? Depression. Okay, so what would you use for that? Mathematically, this tells you that if you're depressed, you should take psilocybin. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not advising you to take anything. And you can go ahead and do your research. They've been doing tests on depression and psilocybin and shit like that. The problem with these people is that they can't patent a mushroom because it's natural. So they're going to extract it and patent a process and sell you that shit instead of just telling you to go ahead and go get some mushrooms if you got fucking depression, which mathematically here, bing, bing. And I can tell you for sure that shit works. Okay. So then, another coincidence right there, right? Must be a coincidence. Then we'll go here. What we got here? Oh, HIV. So the secret of human extinction, right? Because they've been throwing this shit up in everybody's vaccines. They throw that shit in your flu vaccine. They target certain demographics by poisoning their vaccinations with HIV. Okay, so then you got the secret of, but nobody fucking talks about it, right? But what kills it? Sulfur. All right, so HIV, mathematically, the cure would be sulfur for HIV. Okay, you can get that shit right over the counter. Get a fucking 1 pound bag for $20. All right, and sulfur actually kills a lot more than you could ever imagine, which is the big reason why they never talk about it. But I will, because I'm putting this shit in my book. You guys are gonna love this shit. So, I just wanted to show you a few of these things here. Hopefully help out anybody that was having any issues with anything like that. And if you think that this was helpful, share and like this video. And if you're an asshole, then go ahead and report it. You know what I'm saying? Do what you gotta do. So, I'm here just trying to make a difference, positivity, and I cracked the code here with this whole thing with the cures and the diseases. I'm putting this book together. This shit is gonna be amazing, and you're gonna see me out there pushing it. So I think a lot of people should absolutely see this. All the cures I'm finding are vitamins, minerals, and elements off the periodic table. There's no pharmaceuticals involved, none of that. From what I found, all the illnesses are usually a deficiency of one or more of the elements off the periodic table. So you guys looking for an answer to any of your diseases, look at the periodic table. That's all I gotta say. So, it is a game of chess. They're not gonna give you all the answers, but I will. Stop playing checkers with these clowns. That's what I got for you for now. Until we meet again.